Do you want to know about the true essence of yoga? It's more than just those fancy poses you see on social media. Yoga, a practice that originated in ancient India, is a holistic approach to wellness, uniting the mind, body, and spirit. Yoga is a Sanskrit word which translates to union. It's about creating harmony within ourselves. But what exactly does this mean? How does it benefit us? And how can we incorporate it into our daily lives? Let's delve into that. Physical benefits of yoga are plenty. It enhances your flexibility, strengthening not just your muscles but also your bones. It's like an all-natural calcium supplement. Yoga also aids in improving your posture. And a good posture isn't just about looking confident. It helps prevent backaches, neck pain, and other muscular problems. But the benefits of yoga aren't just skin deep. Yoga is also a fantastic cardiovascular workout. It helps to lower blood pressure, improve heart health, and boost your metabolism. It's like a gentle yet effective cardio workout that doesn't leave you gasping for breath. Yoga isn't just about the physical, though. It's a mental game changer as well. It helps to reduce stress and anxiety. The focus on deep, controlled breathing in yoga promotes relaxation and helps to calm the mind. It's like taking a mini vacation from the chaos of daily life. Moreover, yoga increases your body awareness, sharpens concentration, and even boosts memory. It's like a brain workout. Who knew stretching and bending could do that? Now that we've talked about the benefits, you might be wondering, how do I start my yoga journey? It's fairly simple. Start with basic poses or asanas like the mountain pose, downward dog, or the tree pose. Remember, the goal isn't to contort your body into complicated shapes, but to connect with it. Listen to your body, respect its limits, and gradually push those boundaries. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. It's about finding balance, not just in your body, but also in your life. In summary, yoga is an ancient practice that offers a plethora of benefits. It strengthens your body, calms your mind, and nurtures your spirit. And the best part? All you need is a mat, some comfortable clothes, and an open mind. So, are you ready to embrace the union of mind, body, and spirit that is yoga?